everyone, it's Patty. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what's in my hospital bag, and this is for baby number 4. So this is the 4th hospital bag I have packed in my life. I am currently 38 weeks, 1 day pregnant, and I wanted to share with you what I'm going to be taking with me. So the first thing is my bag, and this is the bag I used. I bought it when we had our 3rd child, and it's still in really good condition, and I use it all the time, so I figured it would be perfect to use again for the hospital. So I do have my husband's things that fit in this bag as well, because it's like super stretchy. This bag is from Target. I don't think they sell this one anymore. If they do, I'll link it. But Target has a great weekender bags that are perfect for hospital bags and really affordable. So I definitely recommend, if you don't have like one of those are great for hospital bags. So let me go ahead. I did pack his stuff too, but I took it out for this video, but his stuff does fit in here also. And then some of the things that I packed are very specific to me. And when you find that you've had kids in the past, there's certain things that you've experienced and things like that that you realize, okay, I need this, I don't need this. So I wouldn't say I'm an overpacker, and I wouldn't say I'm a minimalist. I would say I'm kind of middle of the road. But there are definitely some things where I was trying to be a minimalist packer in the past, and I was like, you know what, I wish I had these things with me, and I wasn't so like, I should just leave that. And I decided this time I'm just gonna bring it just because it's comfortable and it is nice to have. So it's not things you need, but it's things that are nice to have. So let's go ahead and get started, because I have this bag and the baby's bag to show you. So there's a lot to show. Okay, the first thing I always pack is a towel. With my 3 other kids, my water broke before that's what caused me to go into active labor. And the type of labors I like to have is I walk around the whole time. We do natural labors. So I'm in the hospital walking around, and when your water breaks, a lot of times there's a lot of leaking. And a lot of times my water breaks at home, which is what causes me to go to hospital. So I need it for the car and things like that. So one of these are for my water breaking. Like I said, this is specifically for me. Most people, their water doesn't break, so you wouldn't need this, but because I have a history of that, I need it. And then I'm also bringing a towel for when I shower, just because I have to shower at the hospital. To me, that's like the best shower of your life. Like, it to me is like a necessity. Then I just have this like clear plastic bag. I picked this up from Old Navy, and I thought it would be perfect for the hospital, and I like that it was like plastic, so that way if it gets dirty or anything, it's easy to wash off. And inside of this, I just have some makeup remover wipes. I feel like this will be really handy. And then, like I said, I plan on showering there, so I just have some shower gel. And then I'm not planning on washing my hair. I plan on just going with my hair done. That way, like, I don't have to straighten it or pick it up. Since my hair's shorter, it's harder to pick up, where in the past I've always picked it up. So I just decided I'll do my hair before I go. That way I don't have to worry about that, and I'll just have the soap to wash myself. And then I'm bringing a brush, a hair tie, which, like I said, I can't pick it up all the way, but I can pick it up like halfway. And then this is like a regular hair tie, but I also bought these invisible traceless hair ties. So I'm going to take one of these to try. That way it doesn't mess up my hair, but I want to bring a regular one just in case that doesn't work, because I've never tried those. And then I always like doing my makeup in the hospital. It makes me feel really good and really fresh. I did not take makeup with my first daughter, and I look back on those pictures and I feel like I look like so tired and awful. And it's just not me, because I'm the type of person that gets up every morning and does my makeup, even when I stay home and we're not going anywhere. So it just makes me feel better. I don't put on tons, but just to feel fresh and beautiful after all the hard work. So I'm just taking some BB cream, and then I'm taking a palette that's kind of like a I can use several things in the palette. So it has like eyeshadow, it has blush, it has highlighter, like it has everything I need. So it's simple. So I figure BB cream, a little bit of eyeshadow, and then a couple of makeup brushes just to apply everything, some e.l.f. brushes, that way if they get lost. And then I also, in here, there's a dark enough eyeshadow where I could just use it as eyeliner, and that's all I'm gonna use. And then I just packed a lip gloss and then a chapstick. So I also have our travel toothbrushes, mine and my husband's. And then I still need to pick up a travel toothpaste. And if I don't get to it by the time I go into labor, I'll just grab our toothpaste. It's not like that big of a deal. And then I have my deodorant. And then I have this Earth Mama nipple butter. I've never tried this one, but I've heard really great things about it. And I always have needed nipple butter in the hospital, always. And there's not one like I'm like in love with or anything. So I figured I would try this one since I've heard such good reviews about it. So I'm excited to try that. Then I just have a bag of snacks. Most of these are for my husband, but there's some in here for me too. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you the snacks in case you need snack ideas. I picked him up a trail mix. This is the Sunny Cranberry. He didn't want anything like too sugary. So this one doesn't have like the candy and all of that stuff. He just kind of wanted like a nuts mix. And then I just wanted like some protein things for us too. So I have this s'mores Luna bar and then a chocolate dipped coconut Luna bar. Whole Foods had a huge sale on the Simple Mills brand. So I went ahead and stocked up on some of their new bars, which I've never tried. They're almond flour bars. So I figured it would be really good for nursing, a good snack to have on hand. And I have the dark chocolate almond ones and then the chunky peanut butter one. And then I also packed enough for my husband of those as well. Next, I have the clothes that I am packing. I bought myself some new PJs. This is the new line at Target. It's called Start Above, and I did size up. I normally wear a medium in PJs, and I went ahead and went with the large just because I wanted to make sure it fit me in the hospital. These fit me while I'm pregnant, so I'm sure it'll be fine after having a baby. And then they have the button down, but I like my PJs very loose and not super like form-fitting. So I sized up from my normal size, and then it has like the capris. And then I also got, this is like considered like a dupe for the Barefoot Dreams cardigan, and it's like a sweater robe. It didn't happen with my first two kids, but with my last, I was very cold for several months. I think it was like a hormone thing, and I was always freezing. So, and the hospitals are really cold. So I went ahead and got this sweater too, and I thought it would be good for like to wear in the middle of the night, during nursing, even after and stuff like that. So I wanted to go ahead and pack that as well, and it's super soft and cozy, and that was from Target too. It's from that brand. And then that's pretty much what I plan on wearing in the hospital. And then when I'm going home, I just have a pair of sweatpants. And then I have two options. I have just like a regular V-neck, like loose shirt from Old Navy. So I figured I could either wear this one, or if I am here, it's still really hot. It's not cold at all. But like I said, last time I got really, really cold. So I also have just like a lightweight cardigan. It's like 3/4 sleeve with a tank top. And then I also have a nursing tank to wear under the V-neck shirt because I'll need a nursing tank for that. And then for the hospital, I always like having slippers, and I have these that are just like sandal, like they're hard on the bottom and then like fuzzy, but they're super comfortable. They stretch if I have any swelling. It's super easy to wear. And these are great because since I walk around the hospital, these are perfect and super comfortable. And then I also have some rubber cheapy sandals for when I take a shower. And then I just have like a nursing bra. I have two nursing bras, a pair of fuzzy socks, and panties. And then I did decide to try, a lot of people have recommended using, instead of like the mesh underwear and the maxi pads, to use Depends. So I decided to give it a try just because I feel like the mesh underwear doesn't provide like tons of support. So I went ahead and packed panties, and I'm open to the maxi pad and mesh if I don't like the Depends, but I wanted to go ahead and try it. So I did buy those, and we'll see how it goes, but I decided to try it just to be more comfortable, and I figured it would provide like really good support. So that is everything I'm bringing. Now let me show you what I'm bringing for baby girl. So this is the new diaper bag that I got. It is a Miss Fong diaper bag, and this was $42. Guys, I am shocked. I did not have high expectations. I was not expecting it to be super good quality, but it seems amazing. Super tons of like pockets and organizational stuff. If you want me to do a review on the diaper bag, I will. I'd be happy to. I can do like a what's in my diaper bag once we're like on the go, and it has backpack straps that you can just put together. So I'm in love with this diaper bag. It's the cheapest diaper bag I think I've ever purchased, because it's normally $50, and I got it on sale for $42. So I'm like over the moon excited. So there are a couple things in my diaper bag that are not necessarily for the hospital, but I wanted to go ahead and pack because once you're home, there's lots of doctor's appointments. I have several kids, so I just wanted to have some things already packed and organized, just because I was organizing the bag. So some of these things I don't need because the hospital provides. So let me go ahead and show you what's in the little pockets. So in the smaller pockets, I packed a bunch of different bows and stuff like that, just because they're small and I'm not sure what's gonna look good when I'm there. So I packed 2 pairs of socks. Actually I packed 3, but I didn't mean to. I'm only packing 2 pairs of socks. I packed 2 headbands, like a light pink one. This is by Baby Bling, and I've had that one. And then this one is just like, I ordered a pack from Amazon, and it came with this one. And then 2 of the top knot hats. And then I have just like a soft cotton hat. Then I also packed, let's see, I don't know all of the pockets yet. So I have my nursing cover, and then I have a swaddle blanket. I'm also gonna bring a muslin blanket as well, just because I wanna have 2, just in case she spits up, and I want it for pictures and stuff like that. And then I just have a burp cloth. And then I have a couple of outfits. This is going to be her going home outfit. It's from H&M. I actually prefer sleepers. I recommend sleepers for a going home outfit, but this is going to be our last child. And all of the sleepers that were like nicer were just more money than I wanted to spend on a newborn size outfit, just because I know it's not going to be passed down, and I just didn't want to spend a lot of money on a going home outfit. So this one was super affordable from H&M. It just has like the little onesie, and the onesie doesn't have mitts, but it's just for going home, so I think it'll be fine. And then the pants, and then the little matching hat. So I think that's super cute. And then for when she meets her siblings, I ordered this onesie that says Little Sisters, and the other kids have like matching shirts. So it has that. And then I prefer black pants, but I only have black pants in 0 to 3 months. So I'm packing those, but I think they might be too big because I don't have big babies. So I went ahead and packed newborn gray pants if the black ones are too big. And then I have a gown for her to wear while she's in the hospital, and this one does have mitts on it. And then it's just like a gown. So easy, because they have to check a lot of stuff, they have to run a lot of tests. So I just want something soft, comfortable for her to wear that's really easy. And then just in case like the going home outfit doesn't work, I picked up this onesie from Target, or not a onesie, zipper sleeper, just in case the other outfit for some reason we have an issue. And this one does have the mitts. I prefer to get the mitts, but like I said, I wanted to keep it simple. So, and that's everything. Let me make sure. Oh, I also have this that just says Hello World, and then we're gonna write her name, the date, height, weight, all of that. So we're gonna take some pictures in that. And then I also packed, I have in here a Gather changing mat. I've had this since my last daughter, and I love it because it's wipeable. And in the beginning they have those like really sticky, crusty diapers that with the, I don't remember what it's called, Meconin, I don't remember. I packed some diapers. This is one of those things where you don't need, the hospital provides them, but like I said, we're gonna have appointments after, and I just wanted it packed and ready. And then I also packed some water wipes. Amazon sells water wipes if you're looking for a good price on water wipes, so I also packed those. Then the last thing I am bringing is one of these like little envelope things, just because at this hospital they give you like a lot of paperwork to take home, and then also the birth certificate information for you to send in the mail. So I want to make sure I don't lose any of that stuff and keep everything together. Also, they give you tons of postpartum care things, tons of diapers and wipes and all of those things to take home, and it's always like kind of all over the place. So I decided I wanted to bring a bag just to stick everything in, so that way when we're leaving it's easier for my husband to carry everything out to the car, and he's not having to like carry 5 million little plastic bags. So I'm just bringing a big tote to put all of the things the hospital gives us in. And this folds up like really nicely. And this is a Logan and Lorena bag, and it's plastic inside. I love it. I'm obsessed with this bag. And then the last thing, actually the last two things we'll be bringing is I'm bringing the boppy. With one of my kids, I didn't bring the boppy, and it was also one of those things where I wish I would have brought it. I feel like I decided not to bring it because it's kind of big and bulky, but then my arms were sore, and a pillow we ended up not having enough pillows. And then when my kids come in, I feel like it's a lot easier for them with a boppy versus a pillow. And my youngest isn't even 2 yet, and I'm sure she's gonna wanna hold the baby, and I just feel much more comfortable with her holding the baby with a boppy. So I decided it'll be great for the kids and also for nursing, just to bring it this time. And then the last thing we're gonna be bringing is presents for the kids from the baby girl. So we're gonna be bringing each of them like a little present to take home from the baby. So that is everything that I am packing in my diaper bag. I hope you found it helpful. I wanted to share some of the things like that I wish I would have brought in the past, just because I feel like a lot of times there's this pressure like you have to be this minimalist packer, and I feel like you're having a baby, you want to be comfortable, and sometimes it's nice just to bring things because it's easy and comfortable. So I wanted to share that. Even though I don't think I bring like an abundance of stuff, I know I bring some things that aren't really necessity, but just they are nice to have and comfortable. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you'll notice, I didn't bring a passy. My kids, 2 out of 3 of them never took a passy, and I don't really encourage pacifiers in the beginning. I know everyone's different. It hasn't worked out in the past for me to give them a pacifier early, so I just prefer not to. So I do have a pacifier set aside for her for when she's a little bit older, but she probably, I don't know if she'll take it. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments down below what are your must-haves, because I would love to hear from you. And also let me know in the comments if you want to see a full review on the Miss Fong diaper bag, because I'm super excited about this diaper bag. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I would love your prayers for baby number 4 as we are anxiously awaiting her. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.